When it comes to tactical military aviation, few machines carry a legacy as fierce as the S-70i Black Hawk. Built to withstand extreme combat environments, these multi-mission helicopters require absolute engineering perfection. Today on Tech Hustle 60, we're going inside the facility where the modern S-70i Black Hawk comes to life, shot by shot, bolt by bolt.
The heart of any helicopter is its rotor system. On the S-70i, 4 Titan strength composite main rotor blades generate thousands of pounds of lift. Every single bolt securing these blades must be adjusted to precise torque specifications. A fraction of a millimeter off could cause catastrophic vibrations at high speeds, making manual human inspection critical during this stage. Moving down the production line, you get a sense of the immense scale. The S-70i features a rugged airframe designed to absorb heavy impacts and protect crew members during tactical insertions. Here, specialized teams work side by side, installing structural bulkheads, armor plating, and heavy-duty wiring harnesses that power the aircraft's advanced avionics. Even in an era dominated by automation, military-grade aircraft rely heavily on expert manual craftsmanship. Watch closely as technicians handset and carefully hammer high-strength aviation bolts into position along the frame. Every fastener undergoes rigorous checks to ensure it can withstand intense flight loads, rapid maneuvers, and heavy combat stress. Before moving to electrical integration and system testing, the airframe undergoes meticulous cleaning. Technicians hand-wipe the surfaces to clear away microscopic metal shavings, dust, and oil residue. Cleanliness is paramount. Any stray debris trapped inside airframes or mechanical joints could compromise sensitive electronics or paint adhesion later on. Now for the power behind the jet, the massive turbofan engines. Each engine is hoisted and bolted onto pylons mounted under the wings. Once mechanical and electrical connections are locked in, the jet moves to the paint hangar. After multi-layer protective coating and airline livery application, technicians peel away masking to reveal a high-gloss final finish. From precision blade torquing to heavy structural assembly, building an S-70i Black Hawk takes thousands of hours of master-level craftsmanship. If you enjoy seeing how raw engineering turns into legendary military hardware, hit that like button, drop your thoughts below, and subscribe to Tech Hustle 60. See you in the next one.